Today we are learning about some more amazing facts from the A to Z of animals. Today in particular we are going to discover some fascinating facts about all the different animals from P, hopefully through Z. P is for ptarmigan. You may have missed this unusual bird because the ptarmigan is seasonally camouflaged. In the snowy winter months, its brown feathers molt and are replaced with white ones. The ptarmigan is also a surprisingly friendly bird because it lives in the Arctic and so is not used to being hunted. Q is for quail. Within just a few hours of birth, the young quail is able to run and hunt. This baby might grow to be a large, elegant male, or what is generally considered to be a more plain-looking female. Many other birds need fine, colorful plumage, but the female quail's plainness is an advantage. It acts as a camouflage, which is particularly useful when sitting on the eggs it lays on the ground. R is for rhino. With a sharp, powerful horn and a strong back, the rhino is the third heaviest living animal on Earth. With skin that is an inch thick, what this creature lacks in eyesight and agility, it makes up for in speed. A rhino is capable of running up to 28 miles per hour. Made of compressed hair, the rhino's horn is a strong weapon capable of killing a human. S is for great white shark. Only one predator has earned the nickname White Death. The great white shark has some of the best weapons of any predator. A torpedo-shaped body to help it move quickly, a sense of smell that can detect blood half a mile away, and eyes to see more than 23 feet ahead, and teeth sharp enough to slice through bone. Look out, these creatures were born to be feared. T is for tiger. What is the deadliest part of a tiger? Perhaps its 3-inch canine teeth, the largest of all the big cats. Or its 5-inch claws? For creatures hunted by this fearsome animal, it is more likely to be its highly developed sense of hearing. With ears that are 5 times more sensitive than a human's, a tiger can sense the position of its prey from the smallest movement and even determine what kind of animal it is. U is for umbrella bird. The umbrella bird is one of the most cunningly clever hunters. Named for its unique fishing technique, this black heron stands in the water, flicks open its wings, and folds them in front of its body. Just like an umbrella, the bird creates a shady area in the water so that prey can be seen more easily. Unsuspecting fish are drawn to this area of shade thinking it offers protection, but they had better beware. V is for vulture. White-backed vulture. Soaring over the savanna, the white-backed vulture spots the carcass of an impala and swoops in for dinner. Like other vultures, this creature is a scavenger, happy to feast on leftovers and discarded pieces of meat. Following a feed, it will often wipe itself clean using its white neck ruff, a contrast to its otherwise dark plumage. Its head is bald because it is the only place that the vulture cannot reach to clean. W is for walrus. Also known as the toothy walking sea cow, the walrus uses its tusks to pull itself out of the freezing waters onto pack ice. The length of the male's tusks will determine its place in the walrus family and its success with females. During breeding season, males duck and dive, showing off to lounging herds of females. W is also for whale. Bowhead whale. The bowhead whale powers forward, its mouth open wide, tongue flailing. Dining on small animals that float into its open mouth, this peaceful, gentle creature is highly vocal and uses underwater sounds to communicate while traveling, feeding, and socializing. When it needs to breathe while in the frozen Arctic waters, the bowhead breaks the ice from beneath with its massive bony skull. X is for extinct. Extinct woolly mammoth. What happens when one family of animals dies out? The species becomes extinct, meaning that it no longer exists anywhere on Earth. Long ago, mass extinction of the dinosaurs occurred very quickly, and today the rate of species extinction is very high. With their long, thick hair and curled tusks, the elephant-like woolly mammoth was the last of its species of mammoth to survive extinction, living until the end of the Ice Age. Y is for yak. This yak is hungry and using his 3-foot-long horn to dig in the snow and search for food. Well equipped for the harsh winter weather, this creature has 2 coats, an outer waterproof layer and a dense warm undercoat to keep its precious body heat during the coldest months. Many people in Southeast Asia treat the yak as a valuable asset, using it for milk, meat, wool, and transport. Z is for zebra. For the wandering lion, blind to a variety of colors and confused by patterns, the zebra stripes make it almost impossible to spot. Like our fingerprints, the pattern on each fantastic coat is unique to every zebra. The zebra lives in herds, and its strong back legs deliver a powerful kick, offering some protection against attack. Z is also for zorilla. Could this be the smelliest animal on Earth? The zorilla, a skunk-like mammal that lives in Africa, has gland secretions that can be smelled from half a mile away. When alarmed, the zorilla will first raise the hair on its back and lift its tail, making itself look larger. If this does not deter the predator, the zorilla will then use scent glands to spray a strong-smelling fluid at its attacker. Hold your nose.